Hey everybody, this is Scott Shikawa and we are here at the Gemini Observatory offices at University Park in Hilo. Hey, the reason we're here this week is the Akamai Workforce Initiative is ongoing. This is a summer internship program dedicated to advancing Hawaii college students in STEM careers. Now the lead funding comes from the 30-meter telescope, and the Akamai program provides community college students and undergraduates with summer projects at observatories and other high-tech companies in Hawaii. Now I'm here with one of the interns. Her name is Situ. And Heather, talk a little about yourself.
I'm currently attending University of Hawaii at Manoa, majoring in mechanical engineering, and I'm going to be entering my fourth year.
Okay. How did you get involved in the Akamai internship? How did you hear about it?
So I've seen posters around the College of Engineering advertising Akamai, and then just the previous year my friend applied for the internship and she had a pretty positive experience, so I decided to apply this year as well.
Now you're being a Oahu resident, coming here to the Big Island. This is, I think, basically your first time, or one of your first time going to Mauna Kea. Talk about the experience.
It was exciting. I was most excited about seeing the telescope. In my previous year, I've worked on a student telescope, so I kind of know like some of the anatomy of a telescope, and being able to see a bigger version of that and being up close, seeing all the different components that might make a telescope work is really cool and eye-opening.
Yeah, talk about eye-opening. You go from a classroom setting to an actual operation. What does it feel like? I mean, the learning experience.
It's definitely different. I'd say this internship is more hands-on in the classroom. We learn a lot of the foundations of engineering and all the theoretical concepts, but being able to apply those concepts to real-life problems is interesting, and you really have to think critically, and you're not always following a book, so it's definitely different, and you learn to question things rather than accepting things at face level.
Okay, let's talk about why it's important for these type of internship programs for STEM students in Hawaii.
It's important because you also get to work in a professional setting, and you get to see what's around in Hawaii, for possible places that you can work at after graduation. And as I previously mentioned, hands-on work is really important. It's definitely different than what you learn in the classroom. It's more application, and you think more critically, and you question things, which is important in problem solving.
There's about the 30 interns as part of this summer program. What was your particular project or assignment?
So Gemini creates these slit masks, and they're often used for spectroscopy purposes, which means that you can tell a star's background, such as its mass and temperature. And so Gemini creates these slit masks by laser cutting these slits into these sheets of material. And there's two types of masks at Gemini. There's the carbon fiber and aluminum. And right now their mask coder is designed for the carbon fiber mask. So what I have to do is redesign that mask coder for the aluminum mask.
Is that something you could learn in a classroom setting, or just something you could kind of more learn here at actual real work setting?
You can learn it in an engineering class, so introduction to engineering design, but it's a little different when you are working with a mentor in a more professional setting. You go through how to do fabrication drawings and how to clearly communicate your ideas to whoever is helping to manufacture your products.
Last question is, what field or what job do you want to get into after you're done with graduation?
I'm definitely still thinking about that, but as of right now, I'm thinking of materials science and engineering or aerospace. After working on a telescope and being here at Gemini North Observatory, I realized, aerospace or the astronomy field is pretty versatile. It's not just about looking at stars. It's also like creating the instruments or the heating and cooling systems to make the observatory work. It's a lot of different things that you can do in a
Different possible options.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Heather, for taking the time.
Thank you.
So we're going to be talking to other interns as part of the summer program, and if you want to learn more, you can go to our website at monacandtmt.org. Till next time, aloha.